A very good morning, students. Today we will do the combinations of errors. Okay, how errors can be calculated in combinations. Combinations means when we have z is equal to a plus b, means we have two physical quantity a and b, and when we add these terms, then new terms will become z. Then how error can be calculated in z terms, means in a we have some errors plus minus delta a, in b we also have some error plus minus delta b. So what will be the error in z? How we can calculate the error in z? Because z plus minus delta z, how delta z can be calculated. Okay, so we will study this in detail. Okay, we have done the relative error, percentage error, absolute error. Okay, but now we have simple calculations, like when we add or subtract the terms, then what happened to the new term. Okay, suppose first term we have propagation or combinations of error. Okay, combinations of errors means first we have sum of two physical quantity. Okay, suppose we have a and b values. In a we have a plus minus delta a, means some error is there. In b we have b plus minus delta b, we have some error in b. What in by plus minus delta a? Means if I am writing 10 plus minus 3 ohm. Suppose I am taking the value of resistance, because ohm is a unit of resistance. So if I am writing 3 plus minus 3, what do you mean by this value? Means error may be in positive, error may be in negative. Means 10 minus 3 means 7, 2, 10 plus 3 13, means resistance value vary from 7 to 13. Okay, like this. Okay, plus minus meaning means in minus and in plus we also have some errors. If we subtract the value, then we have initial value. If we plus the errors, then we have last value. Means 7 to 13 we have the range of the value. Okay, suppose if I am writing 0.3. okay, 10 plus minus 0.3. So what do you mean by this value? Means 0.3 minus 10 minus 0.3 means 9.7. Okay, 2 10.3. okay, 10.3. 0.3 means we subtract the 10. So we subtract the 0.3 from 10. So we have 9.7. We add the 0.3 to 10. So then we have 10.3. So like this. Okay. So I have explained the meaning of plus minus. This is the value of error. Okay, it may be in points form, it may be in simple integers value. Okay, so if we want to add these two numbers, then what will be the effect of these physical quantity, which is a sum of a plus b? So simply add the, if we want to calculate the error in the z, then what will happen? Simply add the a plus b value, a plus b value, because this is the z value. Okay, but if we want to calculate the delta z, then add the delta a and delta b. Simply add the delta a plus delta b. So simply delta a plus delta b, or you can put the symbol here plus minus. Plus minus means I have already explained the meaning of plus minus. Okay, so net value is a plus b, that become z. Okay, and plus delta a plus delta b becomes delta z. So delta z becomes delta a plus delta b. I will explain this example with the help of numerical. Suppose in this numerical I have two resistance, R1 like this, 100 plus 3 ohm, R2 200 plus minus 4 ohm. So if they are connected in series, we already know if we connect the resistors in series, then what will happen to the new resistor? It will add up these two terms. Okay, so final resistance will be 200 plus 100 300, but error is 4 plus 3 7 ohm. So net value is 300 plus minus 7 ohm. Okay, I think it's clear by you all. Next we have error in the difference of two quantities. Listen carefully. If we want to add the quantity a plus b, okay, a plus b, z is equal to a plus b. Now we have z is equal to a minus b. Then value would be a minus b, but error is always added. Error is always added. Means delta z. In this term also we have delta a plus delta b. As term is in subtraction, means z is equal to a minus b, but error is always added. Okay, I am giving the example. Suppose we have length of two rods, this and this. Okay, find the difference in these two lengths. First length is 15.2 plus minus 0.2 centimeter. Second length is 10.7 plus minus 0.2 centimeter. Then final length will be, means difference in the length is 15.2 minus 10.7. We write the difference 4.5. Okay, but in errors 0.2 is here, 0.2 is here. We don't subtract these value. Errors always will be added. Okay, so we have 0.2 plus 0.2, 0.4. Okay, so we have this value 4.5 plus minus 0.4 centimeter.